Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. If you're new, I'm Jessica. Today I'm going to share this gorgeous box of lovely gifts that I received from Ramona, and she's from Romania. And she has two Etsy shops, Junk Journal Creation and Crafted Paper Bags. So like I said, she gifted these items to me and they are so beautiful that I had to go through everything. Now just to let you know, I have already went through this box and kind of opened some things up. So everything was packaged just perfectly, but obviously some of it's unpackaged now. I originally opened this on a live stream, but I wanted to give you a better look at everything from this view and go through everything. So I'm just basically gonna dig in and start showing things to you. And so I'll set this to the side and we will get started. I wanted to go through this first. So this is a pack of vintage wallpapers and they are cut down so pretty and perfect. So we'll go through. Everything is just, seriously, I was blown away when I opened up this box. So there's all kinds of floral prints in here. They all kind of coordinate, you know, go together nicely. Whoops. I probably won't, I guess I don't have to flip through like each one, but we'll just do kind of like a flip through basically. This one's so pretty. I am so excited to use these. So this would be a great way to buy wallpapers, you know, if you want some, but just like enough to kind of play around with in your journals. And you don't need like a whole wallpaper book or something like that. This would be great. And I don't know exactly everything that she has like in her shop like currently, but that's why I'll have her link down below and you can check it out. These were all packaged up, but I took them out. So these are really pretty tags that have these nice pockets with like little tickets. They're all a little bit different, but same idea. I saw these and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna love this box because it's just all so cute. There's a couple of these in here. And I like, they're like a little notepad kind of thing. They have like coffee dyed paper. Her style is just so beautiful. I can't get over it. I like this idea a lot. So let's see. It's probably gonna take me a while to get through everything, so I'll try to go on a little bit faster level. So this is cool. When I saw this, I didn't know if they were postcards or not. And she printed photographs, I'm guessing of scans or, you know, printables probably. But they are on photo paper, so, or glossy paper. I think it's photo paper. And so they seem so real. And I think these would be really fun to use in a journal. There's tons of them, like this whole pack. So many different images and like everything's just cut down so perfectly. Kind of just flipping through quickly here. Lots of vintage, like shabby chic, floral style, everything I love. Oh my gosh, I love that one so much. So you can kind of see, there's even some smaller ones. I like that there's like different sizes. It's a really, really good variety. And I love that rose one so much. I'm going to keep that one for myself. Okay, we'll just set that over here. We are going to run out of space. There's an envelope. I think that was where she had like a little card in that for me. Get you out of the way. And let's see, next. There's tons of like cards like this, like little flippy folders. And it would be nice to have something like this and it's already made, but you could put it in your journal. You know, there's little postcards in there. Fun. I like these little folders that she has, or pockets, I guess you could say. And then like even this is, oh cute. Okay, that comes out all the way. So that's a pocket as well. Oops. Oh, of course I would bump into you guys. Tons of like very dimensional cards that could be used as journaling cards. Space for like writing or adding a photo. Love these. Little library cards that are embossed and then have this little book plate. Another little rose card. Oh, this was on top actually. This was like a sample gift. So she wanted to show me, she includes like a gift in each of her orders. I think she said each, but you'll be able to find out on her shop. And so it looks like it's just like a sample of different wallpapers, you know, tickets. So that's nice. It's always fun to get a little something extra in an order. And then this was some vintage lace or crocheted lace. I don't know if it's vintage, but love how this is all packaged up. Like I just don't even want to use this. So pretty. Okay. Cute little packet. We have Rolodex cards, wallpaper envelope, little wallpaper border that could be used like as a pocket or something like that, and then tons of Rolodex cards. More tags, lots of tags. I'm not even sure how I'm going to organize all of these pretty things. Okay, so I was inspired by this right here. So this is, yeah, it's a little pouch, but I love that she has lace on it. And then here's a similar one, and this has fabric on it. Okay. More tags. Oops. It's getting kind of washed out by the light there. And that one's pretty. Has like an embossed, or I think that's maybe a die cut. Here is another one of these little like notepad. I love that it has the cutout of the wallpaper there. Note paper and on coffee dyed paper. Oops. Okay, I'll save that for the end. And here is a bunch of embossed craft bags. And these are nice because a lot of people don't have an embossing machine. And these are like wax bags actually. So these would be really nice to use folded and, you know, put into a signature. Oh my gosh, they're just so crinkly, and the texture on these is amazing. Here is a pack of coffee dyed doilies. Let's open that up. Ooh, this next pack I'm excited about. More wallpapers. Or actually, let's see, is this actually, this is not wallpaper, that's right. Ooh, I think this is like wrapping papers, maybe. Or just, it's a variety of papers, I should say. Some wrapping paper. Ooh, this is pretty. Lots of those. And then that's right, she said this was called straw paper, and I've never heard of this, so it'd be fun. I love using, you know, different types of papers in my journals, as do most of us, but yeah, that's really cool. I'm hoping you can see like the texture on there. Super fun. Oh my gosh, there's so much more. Goodness. These are all laces. Wow. So many. I'm gonna keep these in here because I think you can see, like, there's just so many. Okay, there's like little strips of them, and oh wow. And then another little pack of different laces. I'll do the same thing. We'll just kind of peek in there. So I want to keep some of this nice. Yeah, they're just cut down like so perfect. And more packs of different types of papers. And again, that's getting kind of blown out there, but there are different types of like ledger papers, graph papers. They all look vintage, or at least vintage kind of style, you know. Oh, and then there's some pretty papers. I like that this is a mixture. There's tissue paper, wallpaper, more ledger paper, elementary school kind of paper. This one's so beautiful. Ooh, this is like a tissue paper. Oh my gosh, this is fun because this is such a variety. That's a cool ledger paper. Embossed paper. So fun. I'm running out of space here. Oh my gosh, more. Let's see, I'm not sure what this is. I think this might be coffee dyed paper. No, wait, can't quite tell. It's some kind of fun paper though. I think it's dyed papers and it's just like flattened. Wow. Okay, so many. Oh my gosh, this is a huge pack. Oh no. Like, this is too much. This is so nice. So yeah, this is all wallpapers. At the point, there's just a ton in here. Where are we gonna put you? I guess right here. Okay, there's even more wallpapers. Oh my gosh. Just tons. Tons and tons. Like, I can't even go through all of this. It's too much. It's awesome. That's right. I think she said, okay, one of these, so she made me a journal also, and she said that she created the journal and it's like all ready for me kind of thing, but then the signatures are not sewn in yet, so I can finish it. And she specifically sent some of these papers that I could use in here, I think, but either way, it's super like professionally made, really pretty. This journal like feels so nice in the hand. And then she has all of these signatures that are kind of ready for me and like sewn, you know, there's lace sewn on, all the different types of papers we just saw. Yeah, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous box. So I had to take the time to make a dedicated video just because I can't even imagine how much time and energy was put into not only creating this box for me, but creating these things in her shop. Oh my gosh. This is so, so stunning. So I really hope that you guys will check out her shop. She mentioned that she has, wow, different sales. Once a month, I believe. I think she said she has 20% off in her shop. And then she includes a gift in her packages. Yeah, this is gorgeous. So thank you so, so much, Ramona. I treasure this box so much, and I'm like so excited to use all these things in the journals that I create for other people. And yeah, I can't wait to go through all of this like even more. Okay, well, that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks again. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing this with me. It was so much fun to open up with you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.